You know what kills more good stories than anything else? Making them too long. But here's the trap everyone falls into. They think shorter means cutting the emotional moments or the juicy details. Wrong. I'm Nick Demas, Tony Award-winning Broadway producer and the founder of the Story Selling Lab and Impact Academy. And I'm about to show you how you can cut your stories without cutting their power. Most entrepreneurs and coaches come to me saying, I need to make my story shorter, I'm too long-winded. And then they try and they butcher it. They cut out the dialogue, the emotions, the specific detail, the exact things that made it powerful in the first place. That's not shortening, that's destroying. Instead, I focus on 3 types of cuts that actually preserve impact while saving you time. First, cut the setup, not the story. Listen to how most people start. So I was working at this company. It was a tech startup, about 50 people. We did B2B software solutions for mid-market companies in the healthcare space. Stop. None of that matters unless it's essential to what happens next. Start as close to the moment of change as possible. Second, eliminate unnecessary characters. If your story has 5 people in it, ask yourself, do you need all 5 to be there? Can some maybe be combined? Can others be cut entirely? Each extra person requires explanation and kills your momentum. Third, focus on one transformation. Long stories try to cover multiple lessons. So pick the most important one and ruthlessly cut everything else, even if those other moments were meaningful to you. But here's my favorite technique. I call it the 30-second test. Tell your story in exactly 30 seconds. Don't worry about being elegant. Just hit the essential beats. What did you keep? What did you instinctively cut? That 30-second version, it just revealed the true core of your story. Now here's the magic part. Expand back up strategically. Add back only the details that make those core moments more vivid and relatable. The dialogue that reveals character, the sensory details that put people in the scene, the internal thoughts that show your emotional state. A short, vivid story that leaves people wanting more is infinitely better than a long story that loses attention. You're not condensing your story. You're distilling it to its essence like a fine whiskey. The best stories get more powerful when you remove everything that doesn't belong. Your turn. Take one of your go-to stories and try the 30-second test right now. Then drop a comment and tell me what surprised you about what you kept versus what you cut. And if you want to master the art of storytelling that actually converts, whether you're speaking on stage, selling your services, or building your personal brand, check out my Story Selling Lab. The link's in the description. And hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.